Hi, this is Tara with Billy and Tara's Live Free or Die channel, and we put the baby parakeets in a new cage yesterday, and when we did, and we filmed that video, well, let me just explain. We got it from Amazon. As you see, it's Yaheetech. Anyway, it's pretty decent size, and you'll see in the next video when we put it together. Okay, I thought I would be nice and surprise Billy and put it together while he was at work. So I follow the instructions, and it's not too hard, but I mean, I got it together, but I'm short. If you don't know, I'm only 5 foot tall. So, step one is to put the bottom together. No problem, right? And step two is to put this cage together, which, no problem, except for it was bigger than I thought, and the bottom fell off of the counter and scared Delaney to death, even though it didn't touch him. But anyway, step three is to put it on the bottom. And step four is to put that second floor together. No problem, except for I had to move it from the counter down to the floor so that I could reach it. And no problem though. Really easy so far. So then you put one little side of the top on. Still no problem. Pretty good. Pretty simple. And then you put the other side of the top on. No problem. And then so you put these little latches on the bottom. Then, and by the way, this has 9 doors. Anyway, these little toys. So after you get it put together, and the little toys that you hang up top, the funniest thing is, so I didn't know that the 2 big doors like have grand door openings until Billy opened it to like do stuff with it when we were changing the birds into it. So I struggled sticking my arm up the top middle hole, trying to reach the top so I could clip the toys on, which I could barely do because I'm not a bird person. It's my first cage. Anyway, it would be helpful if they showed you those doors opened. But I'm behind the camera when Billy does it, and I'm like, really? That would have helped tremendously. So anyway, keep going. We got a swing, and then 2 toys, and then you put these little perches for them to stand in. And then there's this big ladder that goes from the top of this side down here. So again, if I'd have known that big door opened, it would have been a great help. But I'm struggling to put the ladder into the door. I still did it, but it would have been helpful if they showed that opened. That's just my opinion. Anyway, that's just because of my first cage, I guess. Not bad considering. At any rate, then you put the feeders in the front. And stay tuned for the video of when we move the parakeets into the cage. And just imagine, and I might put a little wording up there about how I'm behind the camera going, really? That would have helped. Just helped to know. Anyway, hi, bye. Live free or die.